strayed, where mighty kings in shadow laid. His lute sang tales the trees still keep, of battles won and vows too deep. He plays no more, but wind recalls his echo through